Hey, I'm Tyler with Thor. We're here at InfoComm 26, and I want to show you this new product. It's called the Shadow series. So this is a dual ear headset. Has a very small boom with a 3mm capsule there. It's an Omni capsule. Sounds very flat and linear. Also, a couple cool features is it can be right or left ear. I can't exactly show you the cool flip feature. Let's see. All right, it's hard to do that with one hand. That's why you need headsets to present with, so you have your hands free. Some other cool features, it's an adjustable boom. You can adjust that boom right here by sliding this up and down. Also, perfect placement is key with headsets. Some other cool things is this 90-degree connector. You want to face that down, this just rotates down, and it's great for cable durability, and also everything's all hidden underneath the shirt then at that point. So this is our Shadow series SH20. Thanks for checking it out.